Hey everyone, my name is Zach with Gustafsson Plastics. We want to do a video to show the 4 different model windshields we have for the Can-Am Spyder, F3-T, and F3 Limited. We're going to keep it short and sweet because we've got windshields to make and you guys have more videos to watch. We're not going to do installation walkthrough because it's just a simple 4 bolts that you remove and put back on. So let's get to it. Alright, so this is the 12-inch stock windshield on the bike right now. We do make a stock replacement if you want the same size. We do not add the vent holes in there because the cutout underneath provides enough venting for this size windshield. As always, we make them all to order so you can customize whichever color you want. You can do it clear or any of the tint options in this. For the taller windshields, we don't recommend a real dark tint. But for the smaller ones, like this 12-inch, you'll be fine with any tint. Alright, so this is another sport windshield we've got. This is a 16-inch one, so it's 4 inches taller than the stock 12-inch. It maintains the sport look with the lines of the bike. It does not have the added width, but it still gives you much better wind protection over the stock one. Once again, this doesn't come with vent holes. Because the venting underneath is just enough to give you the wind protection. This one is considered a sport touring. This is our 19-inch model. This is probably our most popular one overall because it's got the added width here that you can see. So it really gives the rider a nice pocket on the sides and then also the added width. So this is actually why this customer, Rick, came in today, is because he got a brand new bike with a sweet BRP audio system, but he can't hear his speakers going down the highway. So the easy solution for that is getting a nice windshield that gives you better wind protection for your riding, but also allows you to hear your nice stereo system. So as with all of our screens, they're all made to order, so you can get this in any tint. This one particular is a light smoke gray and 19-inch. Same thing as before, no vent holes because the venting comes up underneath, and this one there's no Euroflip at the top, so the top is real nice and optically clear, so you can look through it no matter day or night, and really any of the tints, even the darker ones. So the last model we have is the 26-inch Grand Touring windshield. So it's the same width, it's got the added width, but it's 7 inches taller. So even for myself, 6'3", 6'4", with that added 26-inch, I'd be looking through the windshield. So that's going to really give you the ultimate wind protection. But most people drop back down to this 19-inch windshield because you can still look over it pretty easily, but it gives you that really nice rider pocket. So there's the 4 models. I hope you found the video helpful. They're kind of difficult to photograph, so that's why we do this video, to kind of give you a real-life example of what they are. As always, they're made to order to your specifications, so give us a call or shoot us an email if you have any questions. If you're ready to order, you go ahead and just click the link below and it'll take you right to our product page where you can get it going, and we'll be happy to get it started for you.